is how to use these plants to keep us stay positive every day. You see, many of us succulent gardeners turn to these plants during the pandemic to relax, forget about our worries, control our anxiety, and to some, even help with our depression. So that's what I'm going to remind you today. To use these plants and stay positive amidst the chaos around us. Whether we admit it or not, in the hustle and bustle of our fast-paced lives, it can be easy to get caught up in the negativity surrounding us. Something can always bring us down, whether from work stress, financial stress, relationship issues, chaos in different places around the world, or other personal challenges. However, in the midst of all this chaos, it is essential to remember the power of daily positivity. Focusing on positivity daily can significantly improve our overall well-being and help us navigate life's challenges with grace and resilience. It is essential to recognize that positivity is not about ignoring our difficulties, but approaching them with a mindset of hope and optimism. Engaging in activities that bring us joy and fulfillment is another important aspect of daily positivity. That's where our succulent gardening comes in. Whether it be pursuing a hobby, which is our gardening, spending time in nature, again, probably in our garden, or immersing ourselves in creative expression, like landscaping or creating arrangements. So finding ways to tap into our passions and interests can revitalize our spirits and elevate our mood. By nourishing our souls with activities that inspire and uplift us, we can cultivate a sense of purpose and fulfillment that can sustain us through life's challenges. Another way to incorporate daily positivity into our routines is through practicing gratitude. By taking the time each day to reflect on the things we are thankful for, we can shift our focus from what is lacking to what is abundant. Keeping a gratitude journal or simply pausing to express thanks for the blessings in our lives can help us cultivate a sense of appreciation and contentment, even during challenging times. Another way to infuse positivity into our daily lives is through mindfulness. By being present in the moment and fully engaging with our surroundings. So when you garden with your succulents, take time to listen to the sounds of the birds chirping. Appreciate the colors of the butterflies, or feel the cool breeze on your cheeks. It reminds us we are alive. Try to clear your thoughts even for a short moment and focus on the beautiful plants in front of you. Take time to appreciate the beauty and wonder of the world around you. Mindfulness can help us reduce stress and anxiety as it allows us to center ourselves and focus on the present moment rather than thinking about the past regrets or worrying about the future. Also, aside from spending time alone in the garden, becoming more present in other areas of our lives, like being attentive in our conversations and relationships, we can strengthen connections and build deeper bonds with those around us. Practicing active listening, empathy, and compassion can help us cultivate healthier, more fulfilling relationships that nourish our souls and uplift our spirits. By approaching interactions with kindness and understanding, we can create a positive ripple effect that spreads love and positivity throughout our communities. Positive affirmations are another powerful tool for promoting daily positivity. By repeating positive statements to ourselves, we can rewire our brains to focus on the good rather than the negative. Affirmations like, "I am capable and strong," or "I am worthy of love and happiness," or "I am resilient just like my succulents," can help boost our self-esteem and confidence, leading to a more positive outlook on life. Engaging in acts of kindness is another way to inspire positivity in our daily lives. By helping others and spreading joy and compassion, we not only make positive impact on those around us, but also uplifts our spirits. Whether volunteering at a local charity, lending a listening ear to a friend in need, or simply offering a smile to a stranger, acts of kindness can create a ripple effect of positivity. By extending kindness to others, we not only make positive impact on their lives, but also experience a sense of fulfillment and joy that can enhance our well-being. Surrounding ourselves with positive influences is also key to focusing on positivity daily. By spending time with uplifting and supportive friends and family members, we can draw strength and inspiration from their positive energy. It is important to be mindful of the people we allow into our lives and choose relationships that nourish our souls and uplift our spirits. Practicing self-care and self-compassion are also essential components of daily positivity. By prioritizing our own well-being and treating ourselves with kindness and understanding, we can build a strong foundation of self-love and acceptance. If we are constantly stressed, it's not good for our physical and mental health. Engaging in activities that nurture our mind, body, and spirit, such as gardening, meditation, yoga, massage, or simply taking a relaxing bath, can help us recharge and replenish our energy reserves. Setting boundaries and saying no to things that drain our energy or compromise our well-being is also an important aspect of self-care, as it allows us to protect our mental and emotional health. Taking care of our physical health is important. By nourishing our bodies through regular exercise, healthy eating, and adequate rest, we can boost our mood and energy levels, leading to a more positive life outlook. Physical activity releases endorphins, which are known as the feel-good hormones, and helps reduce stress and anxiety. Getting enough rest and practicing good sleep hygiene can also improve our mood and cognitive function, allowing us to approach each day with clarity and positivity. In addition to these practices, incorporating moments of joy and laughter into our daily routines can help uplift our spirits and promote positivity. Whether it be watching a funny movie, playing with a pet, or sharing a good laugh with friends, laughter can be shown to reduce stress, improve mood, and strengthen social connections. Finding joy in the simple pleasures of life can remind us of the beauty and resilience of the human spirit, even in the face of adversity. Setting and achieving small, attainable goals can also boost our positivity and self-confidence. By breaking larger tasks into smaller, manageable steps, we can create a sense of progress and accomplishment that can fuel our motivation and drive. By setting clear, achievable goals and taking consistent action towards their attainment, we can create a sense of focus, purpose, and accomplishment that can boost our mood and motivation. Celebrating even the smallest victories can help us build momentum and resilience, leading to a more positive and empowered mindset. Embracing growth mindset is another key element to daily positivity. By viewing challenges as opportunities for growth and learning, we can shift our perspective from one of fear and limitation to one of curiosity and possibility. Embracing setbacks as valuable lessons and seeing failures as stepping stones to success can empower us to persevere through obstacles with resilience and optimism. By seeing failures as valuable lessons and setbacks as stepping stones to success, we can cultivate a sense of perseverance and determination that can help us overcome obstacles with grace and courage. Practicing forgiveness is another powerful way to promote daily positivity. By letting go of resentments and grievances, we can free ourselves from the burden of anger and bitterness and create space for healing and growth. Forgiveness is not about condoning or excusing harmful behavior, but rather about releasing ourselves from the emotional weight of holding on to past hurts. By extending compassion and understanding to ourselves and others, we can cultivate a sense of peace and harmony that can elevate our spirits and promote positivity in our lives. Learning to embrace uncertainty and change is also essential for maintaining daily positivity. Life is full of unexpected twists and turns, and it is important to be flexible and adaptable in the face of uncertainty. By cultivating a sense of openness and curiosity, we can approach new experiences with a sense of wonder and excitement rather than fear and resistance. Trusting in the process of life and believing that things will unfold in their own time can help us navigate through uncertainty with grace and resilience. So you see, there's so many ways we can stay positive each day. I hope this content inspired you to take care of your physical, mental, and emotional health, and keep in mind to stay positive always. If you like this kind of content about positivity, I would like to introduce you to my newly launched channel, The Sanctuary of Peace and Tranquility, where together we will slow down, face life in a positive way, and deal with our daily challenges with resilience and gracefulness. Please help me build this channel by subscribing. Thank you very much, and enjoy a clip from The Sanctuary. Mindful walking is a powerful practice that can help you connect with yourself, reduce stress, and cultivate a more profound sense of awareness and presence in your everyday life. In this video, we will explore the art of mindful walking and provide you with a step-by-step guide on how to incorporate this practice into your daily routine. The first step in practicing mindful walking is to find a quiet and peaceful place to walk without distractions. This could be a park, a nature trail, or even a quiet street in your neighborhood. Choose a time when you won't be rushed or interrupted so that you can entirely focus on the present moment. Once you have found your walking space, it's time to start your practice. Begin by standing still and taking a few deep breaths to center yourself and bring awareness to the present moment. Feel the sensation of your feet on the ground and the gentle movement of your breath as you inhale and exhale. As you begin to walk, pay attention to each step you take. Notice the feeling of your foot lifting off the ground, moving through the air, and coming back down again. Focus on the sensations in your feet and legs as you walk, and the movement of your body as a whole. Be fully present in each moment, letting go of any thoughts or distractions that may arise. In addition to focusing on your physical sensations, you can also bring your awareness to your surroundings. Notice the sights, sounds, and smells around you as you walk.